Sanibona bafethu uvane lo. So ngizokhuluma ngomdlali la we-Kaizer Chiefs okukhanyisa amanga. Ngisho abantu abaningi they've written off this guy. They've written off this guy because of the blunder he did against AmaZulu FC. If you remember the blunder he did against AmaZulu FC, you will remember ukuthi wenzani umshida. Yabo isenzo nje lesa esasingekho right. But ke ngizokhuluma ngobuyena as a striker. Mentality anayo as a striker. Yabo each and every team ekhona la ku-Betway Premiership. Okhanyisa Mayo is the striker you would want in your team. Okhanyisa Mayo is the striker you would want in your team because once ubheke lo mshida lo unale mentality ye striker escorer by any means. By any means you must get the goal behind the net. You like it or not, Okhanyisa Mayo is that striker you need in your team. To be honest, currently he's playing for Kaizer Chiefs engenzi kahle. Yabo he's playing for Kaizer Chiefs engenzi kahle. He is hungry for goals. He is hungry for goals. He was doing well for the club laso akuyona ngoba nje benza kahle ufuna ukudlalela iclub ufuna ukudlalela iclub akhula vele efuna ukuyidlalela ubaba wakhe wayidlalela le club le iKaizer Chiefs. So ukudlala kwakhe iKaizer Chiefs kumenza abe naleyo hunger to score more goals, to impress even my fans. Yabo ama fans right now it seems like they are starting to turn their back on the player. I don't think ama fans kumele ayenze leyo nto. Umchida bafethu he has a lot to offer. Usathana kufika kwiKaizer Chiefs. Nje usathana kufika yes usenalo igoli lokuqala kumele score more goals. Mengibuka lo mchida ngibone ngibuka uTshepo Morim. UTshepo Morim wakhula esupport Orlando Pirates. Nje wakhula nje esupport Orlando Pirates esathana kufika kuOrlando Pirates ama fans ayengamthandi ngaleyo ndlela. Do you remember? I think everyone remembers uTshepo Morim bembhuwa le Orlando Stadium. Yabo kwangasisona nje isenzo esihle leso esenziwa ama fans. But ke after leyo nto leyo umchida akagive upanga. Yabo akagive upanga umchida. He continued playing for Orlando Pirates. He continued fighting for that position. You saw how he delivered for Orlando Pirates in that MTN final. You saw izinto ayezenza. Yabo you saw ama games after that final umchida he was fired up because he's now getting more momentum. He is now getting more fired up because he scored goals. He's making the fans happy. Even the fans now love uTshepo Morim. I don't think uTshepo Morim noma ngaboza kanjani right now. Noma ngaboza kanjani just because he helped Orlando Pirates win that MTN 8. Ama fans ngeke aza mind noma angashaya nje umsangano ngeke aza mind because right now ama fans aseyamthanda. Yena umchida ukhanyisa Mayo usenalo ithuba lokuthi ayiredeem as umdlali bafethu because lo mchida uyistrike mayasathole icreative midfielder ezokwazi ukumfida amaphola mayasathole icreative midfielder ezokwazi ukumnikeza ibhola ngesikhathi. You saw igoli ekwakumele likoro lo mchida uLemodi kwamele likoro uLemodi kube mhlawumbe uLemodi ke mhlawumbe ukube walishaya mfethu ibhola eli shaya isquare pass eli esa onside umchida ngabe igoli lakwazi ungena nethini. Yabo uLemodi ke wahamba kakhulu nebhola kakhulu yabo waselishaya yes laliyongena but ke umchido wayefuna ukumake sure ukuthi lingena phakathi wathi flashaya ipala ibhola labuya asasi but laliyongena vele. But ke for me uyasidinga striker njengo Khanyisa Mayo. Striker mentality I like lento ayenza even though kwaku offside but ke izinto ezikanje bafethu ziyamarka umdlali. It's either ziyamarka umdlali or ziyambreak. It's either uyakheka noma uyabreakeka. I hope umchida akabreakeki. We need to see more South African strikers. We need to see more South African strikers shining in South Africa. We cannot let these European strikers, we cannot let these African strikers coming at our league and outshining i-striker ezikhona la. Outshining i-striker ezikhona la. Currently uPeter Shalulile is chasing a record. Is chasing a record ye South African. Bradley Grobler isiwe uGrobler uzama ukumkhava uShalulile khona uShalulile ngeza ibreak. We need to see more South African strikers trying to reach that level. Yabo asikwazi ukuthembela kakhulu kwi-strikers angaphandle. Same as goalkeeper. Asikwazi ukuthembela kakhulu ko goalkeeper bangaphandle. Amathimba amaningi la ku-Betway Premiership belenze show uthi ensure aba goalkeeper bala eSouth Africa. I see Colin Arrows they've signed umbanjwa from SuperSport United, a very talented goalkeeper umbanjwa. We must prioritize these South African players. We need to play on the global stage. Yabo we must have South African players abadlala. Don't get me wrong, bakhona abadlala ngaphandle abadlala kahle, but we must prioritize South Africans first and we do not have enough strikers to represent us in a global stage. Striker la kukhanyisa Mayo onaleyo mentality ukuthi mela kore goal each and every game. That's the striker you need in your team. But ke wangitshela ama comments, how do you feel about the situation ngamayo? For me umchida I think usakangakazi ukuyiredeema umchida kumele alungise u1 no2 angavumeli the criticism ayithola kuma online imbulala. Ayivumeli nje lo criticism. yena uyazi into ayizele kwi-Kaizer Chiefs.